Question number 1. What is the national game of Japan? Option A. Boat racing, B. Wrestling, C. Sipa, D. Sumo. Answer is option D. Sumo. Question number 2. What is the national game of India? Option A. Kabaddi, B. Hockey, C. Cricket, D. Football. Answer is option B. Hockey. Question number 3. What is the national game of the USA? Option A. Tennis, B. Soccer, C. Baseball, D. Basketball. Answer is option C. Baseball. Question number 4. What are the national sports of China? Option A. Table tennis, B. Baseball, C. Cricket, D. Swimming. Answer is option A. Table tennis. Question number 5. What is the national game of New Zealand? Option A. Archery, B. Cricket, C. Rugby union, D. Golf. Answer is option C. Rugby union. Question number 6. What is the national sports of Canada? Option A. Cricket, B. Field hockey, C. Ice hockey, D. Football. Answer is option C. Ice hockey. Question number 7. After how many years FIFA World Cup held? Option A. 2 years, B. 3 years, C. 4 years, D. Every year. Answer is option C. 4 years. Question number 8. Who won the first ICC World Cup? Option A. India, B. West Indies, C. Australia, D. England. Answer is option B. West Indies. Question number 9. Which country won the first FIFA World Cup? Option A. Argentina, B. Uruguay, C. Italy, D. Brazil. Answer is option B. Uruguay. Question number 10. Who is known as the Flying Sikh? Option A. Michael Johnson, B. Usain Bolt, C. Milkha Singh, D. Carl Lewis. Answer is option C. Milkha Singh. Question number 11. What is the women's world record for the 100-meter dash? Option A. 12 second, B. 10.45 second, C. 9.55 second, D. 10.49 second. Answer is option D. 10.49 second. Question number 12. What is the 100 meters world record of Usain Bolt? Option A. 9.35 second, B. 9.58 second, C. 9.05 second, D. 8.12 second. Answer is option B. 9.58 second. Question number 13. The famous boxer Mary Kom is from which Indian state? Option A. Manipur, B. Mizoram, C. Nagaland, D. Tripura. Answer is option A. Manipur. Question number 14. Who is known as the Baltimore Bullet? Option A. Roger Federer, B. Usain Bolt, C. Michael Phelps, D. Michael Jordan. Answer is option C. Michael Phelps. Question number 15. When did Cristiano Ronaldo join Juventus Football Club? Option A. 2017, B. 2018, C. 2019, D. 2016. Answer is option B, 2018. Question number 16. Who is given the nickname God of Cricket? Option A. Ricky Ponting, B. MS Dhoni, C. Sachin Tendulkar, D. Anil Kumble. Answer is option C, Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 17. Which sport does Roger Federer play? Option A. Volleyball, B. Table tennis, C. Tennis, D. Badminton. Answer is option C, tennis. Question number 18. When did Michael Jordan retire? Option A. 2004, B. 2003, C. 2005, D. 2013. Answer is option B, 2003. Question number 19. Which country won the most FIFA World Cups? Option A. Germany, B. Argentina, C. Brazil, D. France. Answer is option C, Brazil. Question number 20. Where is Magnus Carlsen from? Option A. Germany, B. England, C. Norway, D. UK. Answer is option C, Norway.